Are you preparing to sell your home in Mount Pleasant? My name is Marley Presswood, and by now you may have realized that preparing your home to sell is a difficult process. Between managing the house, kids, husband, and the pets, the house never seems entirely ready to sell. Our team at Marley Presswood Group has created a step-by-step process to be able to make selling your home as seamless and painless as possible. Throughout our years of selling, we have curated a list of cleaners, dog sitters, babysitters, handymen, and literally anything you can think of just a phone call away. Selling your home is a significant and emotional transition. Maybe you need more space with an addition of a family member, or you're an empty nester looking to downsize. Either way, you deserve professional advice and representation to achieve your goal. Let us create a strategic plan that best fits your timeline, no matter where you are in the selling process. Click the link below and book a phone call with me today and see how the Marley Presswood Group can help prepare you to sell your home, or you can simply email me at marley@marleypresswood.com.